Hello everyone, I'm Ovi, your virtual chef. Today, we're going to prepare some exquisite fondant potatoes. Before we begin, we'll explore a bit about their origins. Fondant potatoes originate from haute French cuisine. This cooking method dates back to sophisticated banquets where chefs sought an elegant way to prepare potatoes, achieving a creamy texture inside and a crispy exterior. The technique involves browning them in butter and then slowly cooking them in broth, which give them a deep flavor and a unique texture. Although their name may sound refined, it is actually an accessible recipe that has won over kitchens worldwide. To prepare delicious fondant potatoes, we will need the following ingredients: large potatoes, chicken broth, olive oil, butter, thyme, garlic, pepper, and salt. To give them an elegant and consistent shape, we use a metal ring mold, which makes the process easier and enhances the dish's presentation. We peel the potatoes with a knife or a peeler, making sure to completely remove the skin. Then, we submerge them in cold water to remove excess starch, which helps achieve a firmer and more uniform texture when cooked. Drain thoroughly to remove any leftover water. Trim the ends and cut them in half, making sure the final thickness matches the mold. We firmly press down with the metal ring mold to cut the potatoes and achieve the precise shape we're looking for. With a peeler, we refine the top of potatoes to give them a cleaner and more presentable finish on the final dish. We use an oven-safe pan, making sure it can withstand high temperatures without affecting the flavor or texture of the potatoes. Heat the pan over high heat, adding a generous amount of olive oil, butter, and a sprig of thyme to infuse flavor into the cooking base. We place the potatoes in the pan and let them brown on only one side, allowing them to absorb the flavors of the butter, olive oil, and thyme while developing a golden, crispy crust. Next, we add thinly sliced garlic. Once the potatoes have developed a golden crust on one side, carefully flip them to brown the other. When they have an even golden crust, pour in the chicken broth to start slow cooking and deepen their flavor. Season with salt and pepper to taste, adjusting the flavor to enhance the dish. Bake the potatoes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing them to absorb the broth and achieve a tender interior with a golden, crispy exterior. And voila, bon appetit! You can serve them as a side dish for a meat entree or pair them with whatever you prefer, adapting them to your taste and the menu of the day. A simple yet elegant recipe, perfect for impressing on any occasion. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date. Until the next dish,